Hey, it's Cliff, and it looks like the Sologenic team has added the buy and sell feature to the NFT Marketplace. So I'm going to walk you through how to sell the NFTs that we already minted in my last video. So to get right into it, I have the Solo decks pulled up here. You are just going to go there and hit access the decks. And just like last time, you can see right up here, you'll see NFTs. This will take you into the NFT Marketplace. And then you're going to hit the little profile icon right here. Now here are the two that we minted before. I'm just going to do one of them here. So we'll go here and we will hit sell right up here. Okay, so there are two forms of currency that you can sell these NFTs in. It's going to be Solo and XRP. Personally, I'm going to do XRP because I value that more. We're going to enter our price in here. And now when you're selling these NFTs, you can set a expiration date for when you want to pull them from the marketplace anytime you want. It goes all the way to custom here. But really, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't have an auction platform. So for me, I'm just going to hit not expiring. Now, just to give you a little bit of background on their NFT marketplace, you can sell up to 250 NFTs at a time. And per NFT, you are going to pay 2 XRP for a network reserve, and then also another 2 XRP for sales. So you can see here there's a very small network fee. I mean, it's on XRP. Their network fee is pretty great. And then here's the price to purchase. And I'm just going to hit I understand and click continue. This is pretty much what I just said about the 2 transactions that you're going to have to sign and the 2 XRP that it's going to accompany that. So you'll just go to your phone. It'll bring up that transaction and it's going to look like this. So you can see at the bottom there, it says sign. I'm going to enter my password. And it'll show up as successful. So you're just going to hit done, and then you're going to sign the second transaction doing the exact same thing that you just did. Hit confirm, and you'll see again successful, and hit done. And that's pretty much it for selling these NFTs. They'll give you a little link if you want to share this on social media. It has all the different icons below as well to kind of get your NFT out there for advertisement. Now, one thing that I noticed about this NFT marketplace immediately, I had issues initially trying to sign the transaction, and all I had to do was close the app out and then just reload the app for whatever reason. Probably because they were making changes to the exchange, and I was getting in here the day of this exchange going live. So I probably just need to refresh some settings. So if you're running into that issue, maybe you had your Solo app in the background of your phone, you might need to close it out just to get the transactions to go through. One thing I didn't see on here is that they don't have royalties, which a lot of these marketplaces already do, and that's just where the creator would take a piece of the pie every time this NFT is sold. So, and the other thing, it's not an auction house either. I thought maybe it'd work kind of like eBay in a way where you could auction the NFTs off. This is strictly just selling NFTs. You can go to this marketplace, you can mint the NFTs you want, you sell them on their marketplace, and then there is no royalties at that point. You are just selling off your piece of work. But yeah, other than that, so far so good. You can go through it and look at all the different NFTs. There's some pretty cool ones on here. If you have any questions on minting or selling your NFTs, just give me a comment down below, and hopefully we can get some NFTs in this marketplace and start making a little bit of money. And thanks for watching.